Hello everyone, this is Chef Bonus, and today in this video we're going to be focused on pastry cream. It is one of the mother cream. All right, so this video is going to come in different parts, like 4 parts, or it can be in 3 parts. All right, because I just want to explain in detail. That is the reason it will be a little slow, but I just want you to know 100% about pastry cream, like why we use the ingredient, how we're going to use it, what is the temperature. I mean, basically critical control points also I have shared in this. All right, so make sure you watch the complete video thoroughly and stay tuned for the other videos which are lined up already. Okay, let's start the session.
Before I start, let me just tell you one thing which is very important about pastry cream is pastry cream is one of the mother cream. It's a mother cream of pastry, all right? And pastry cream is known as the mother cream of the pastry because many other creams and desserts fillings are derived from it, all right? That is why I'm giving so much of importance to this and focusing and telling you that how does it really works. All right, let's figure it out. Definition, role, and the core ingredients to make this beautiful, rich pastry cream. Pastry cream, also known as creme pat, or you can say creme patisserie. It is a classical good custard used in a wide range in pastry, bakery applications. Okay, it is thickened mainly with starch, egg yolk. All right, focus, starch, egg yolk. This is basically the main thickening for the pastry cream. Okay, smooth, rich texture and excellent stability. This is a basic understanding which is all about the pastry cream. I think it's not that tough to understand. All right, okay, let's figure it out. What is pastry cream? Okay, a classic cooked custard. This comes under custard. Okay, made by cooking milk, sugar, egg yolk and starch until thickened. Rich and smooth texture, silky, creamy, and velvety of a luxurious mouthfeel. Pipeable and stable when chilled. Thickens as it cools and hold its shapes beautifully. Used in filling base, perfect for filling, topping as a base for dessert. Clear now? This is what is pastry cream is all about. Okay, hope you're now clear with this four. Let's understand about the core ingredient. This is something which is very important to understand. Each individual has its own role when it comes to this pastry cream. Okay, so milk, it provides the moisture, body, and richness, the base of the custard. This is the liquid, all right. Well, sometimes some chefs also use half and half milk and cream for make it more rich. All right, so milk and cream. All right, then we have a sugar sweetener the cream and helps tenderize the texture. Then we have egg yolks which actually add richness, color and help thicken the cream through coagulation. Then we have a starch, basically sometimes flour, sometimes cornstarch. As a chef, I always focus on cornstarch rather than flour. Some chefs use both, some chefs use cornstarch, and some chefs use flour. But I use personally focus on starch. All right, when it comes to starch, cornstarch, I use it. It's mainly for thickening agent, create a smooth, stable, and glossy texture. All right. Then we have a flavoring. We have vanilla. So you can use basically generally we use beans like vanilla pod. We scrape it out those seeds and we use it for richness and for best flavor aroma. And if you don't really have that because it's very expensive, so some place they use it, some play they replace with extract, vanilla extract, but do not use vanilla essence. All right, vanilla essence, I mean, no, don't use that. Use vanilla extract. Clear? Then we have a butter which is completely optional. I use butter personally. Add extra richness, glossy and silky finish. Stirred in off the heat. Once you're done, preparation done, take out from the stove or take it out from the induction, remove it, and then you add and emulsify. Two things you can do it. You mix it peacefully with your spatula or you just can emulsify the butter in that. Okay, this is what the main core ingredients about the pastry cream making and the reason why we use this. Mhm. If you're a pastry chef or you want to be or you want to learn pastry cream, make sure you should know this in detail, that what exactly this each individual ingredient does, basically the role. Okay, now let's see used in pastry and bakery, where exactly we use this pastry cream. Eclairs, fruit tart, mifi, choux bun, cream puff, and custard slice. Okay, these are basic places where we use pastry cream, but again I'm telling you this is the base cream. The second part I'm going to bring, which is the part 2 of this pastry cream, which I will explaining you the derivatives of pastry cream. This is going to be the work as a base, because this is going to be the mother of the cream, and then additional when we add, that will be the derivatives. All right, make sure stay tuned for that. Pastry cream should be smooth, glossy, thick, and free from lumps. Let's go to the next. How pastry cream is made. Let's understand the step-by-step process. Focus. Heat the milk with vanilla. Heat the milk with vanilla, pod or extract. As I said earlier, use pod or extract, no essence. All right. Over medium heat until steaming, but not boiling. It has to be steaming, not boiling. Okay, it can go to 60 to 80 degrees Celsius. 100 degrees Celsius is the boiling. Okay, so we're going to be go a little lesser, 60 or 80, the best one temperature for to warm the cream. Okay, or milk. Whisk egg yolk with sugar. In a bowl, whisk egg yolks with sugar until pale. Okay, when you're gonna mix both of them, it will start pale in color. Because what happened when you're mixing the sugar with the egg yolks, it start what? Incorporating air, right? That is the reason the color, the dark yellow will be slightly changed to the pale. Thicken and slightly fluffy. Clear? Add starch and mix smoothly. Add cornstarch or flour, depends what your recipe says, and salt. Whisk until completely smooth with no lumps. All right. Slowly pour about 1/3 of the hot milk into the yolk mixture while whisking consistently. Then pour the mixture back in the pot with the remaining milk. Means 1/3 milk you pour over here. Okay. Mix it nicely and then pour back to the pot. But again, when you pour back this thing, make sure you strain that. So there, actually, you can avoid the lump. Because sometimes the egg has a chalaza, egg yolk and egg white, there is a connection between them, a white color lump. You see, when you break the egg. So that is actually known as chalaza. Sometimes it actually comes with the yolk. That is the reason when you're going to mix with this, so chalaza may be there. For that reason, if you strain it up, you can just free from that chalaza or any of lump which is created by the starch. So you can save your pastry cream, from that lumps. Cook over medium heat, whisking continuously. Okay. Okay. Next, custard will thicken as it get heat. So the custard start thickening, which is 80 to 85 degrees Celsius, and brings to the gentle boil for 1 minute to cook the starch and remove the raw taste. 95 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. Next, the seventh, add butter, optional, cover and chill. Remove from the heat, stir the butter in the vanilla, optional, until smooth. Strain if you need it for extra smoothness. Cover with plastic wrap directly on the surface to prevent the skin. Chill in the refrigerator until it's set and cold. This is a basic understanding and the steps for making a perfect pastry cream. Hope you're now clear. Critical control point. When you heard of HACCP, hazard analysis critical control point, this is the critical control point that what you focus while making pastry cream, because this is where sometimes people go wrong, or because of some certain reason, or maybe you're making first time. These are the points where you need to be focused.